Okay, part 2 ke we-destiny swapping, energy vampires, isithwalo, and also sizawuthetha ngo-Unathi. U-Unathi ngomnye wabantu ababalwayo who were close to lo tata and suddenly i-career yabo took a hard knock, right? And apparently xa kutshiwo ke she's struggling to get back up, right? Masiqale nge-destiny swapping and ndizanibalisela nje ngestori sam. Esasi-innocent, kwakungenanto yayinobuthakathi phakathi. I'm not saying ubana akukho the dark side of it, right? So mna and my ex-friend went out for a walk. Sit apha ekuncokoleni athi kum, hey Emveli, yazi I noticed ubana lokho ndahlangana nawe I don't lack, especially ngemali, yabo. I-destiny helpers zakhe zibuyile ziyamnceda ngemali. Basically she doesn't lack. Qoma hayi nam ndiyavuya. Uyabona lanto ukuthi kune-change ebomini be-friend yakho because of wena, yabo. But at the same time mna xa endixelela le nto I noticed ubana izinto mani kwicala lam, ilakhi yam iyatshintsha kwicala lam, uyayibona? But she said it innocently and that was it. The reason ndithi yayingenabuthakathi phakathi ingoba sasisenza sonke ezi zinto sugar jar, la macebiso esiwabona apha ku-Tikima Talks, yabo. And we were both big on cleansing ourselves and not focusing kwabanye abantu, but sifocus ekuthina to cleanse and claim our energy back, claim our luck back, yabona into ezinjani. So ndizoncokolela umamam ke ngongenye imini ngale nto bithethwa yifriend yam, and nakumamam nditsho ndithi, and ngeli xesha ndixelelayo I noticed ukuthi eyam ilakhi iyatshintsha, yabo. Things seqala ukuba dry ngoku nje. Azothi umamam, umntu nomntu uzelwe nengelosi. Le ngelosi ine-purpose ezokuyiseva ebomini bakho, right? Uthi ke ngoku umama, ingelosi iyamthanda umuntu onobubele, right? And ngamanye amaxesha iye ibe confused, especially like for instance i-character yakho iba bufana neyetshomi yakho. So ingelosi gets confused, igcine isala nefriend yakho, isebenzela ifriend yakho, not because uyibile. Nayo ifriend yakho ngelo xesha isube ingekho aware ukuthi kuye kwaswapheka ilakhi. So uthi ke umama loo nto leyo yenzeka xa mhlambe you spend a lot of time with that person and lo mntu ungumntu one-aura e-clean, then ingelosi yakho igcine seyisheka naye isebenzela yena. So that is why yena wanotice ukuthi akasaleki anymore, and then kwicala lam ndabe izinto zam siqala ukutshintsha, yebo. So that was innocent. Anditsho ukubana kwezinye cases akuhlangani nokuba nobumdaka, right? Sithethe ngo-Unathi ke ngoku. Unathi ke ndiyamthanda ukufa u-Unathi, but there was a time I stopped listening to, was it Metro FM or Kaya FM? But islot ska Unathi, uGlenn Lewis no Melanie San sasisekuseni. I stopped listening. I stopped listening to their slot because Unathi was not gentle with her words, Payana. She was not kind to people. She used to cut people into pieces with her tongue. And engaboni nento erongo. And wayenendlela, a very subtle way of disrespecting uGlenn Lewis. Like wayenendlela wayem undermine ngayo that I didn't like. I didn't like, and I thought to myself, I am done with this morning shift yabo Unathi. Dona ndimthanda uNathi, ndimthanda uGlenn Lewis, ndimthanda uMelanie, but I thought, no, this is not good for my BP. Le ntombazana ikrwada. Athi ogqiba ayihleke aphume apho uNathi egqibo khatha umntu with her tongue. Then Idols, she was the same naphayana. She was the same, if she wasn't even worse with Idols. And so what I'm trying to say is, angeke ndimfake kakhulu uSomizi kwi-downfall ka-Unathi. Unathi, by the time esilwa noSomizi, she had already burned way too many bridges. She wayesesecicini vele. She was walking on eggshells by the time esilwa noSomizi. So I can't really blame uSomizi for what happened to her. uSomizi mna ndizomkwatela ngexesha elwa noThembi, uThembi Siyete or Seattle, because phayana la tata was very bully. Oh, I saw the other side of Latata. He was bullying uThembi, and zange ndimthande during laa nto yakhe noThembi, because uThembi is such a kind person. She did not deserve that. But Somizi, I saw the other side of him that I did not like phayana. But awukwazi ukumcaphukela completely uSomizi. uSomizi uzokuxaka. There's a very kind side kuyena, and then budu avele enze into exakileyo.
And of course, there we have it, as we are featuring Somizi's name again. I'm not a prophet, guys. I'm not a prophet, but I'm gonna tell you this. I do believe you guys are planning Somizi's downfall with this conspiracies or prophecies. I do believe you guys are planning his downfall, honey, because why am I seeing the third person exposing or saying the same exact thing about the one and only Usomgaga Somizi? Anyway, before we get into today's topic, guys, let me tell you, it's free to subscribe on this channel, so please do click the subscription button and share this video. Guys, oh my goodness, I think we're gonna learn one or two things from this video and what this lady had to say about the destiny swapping. I do believe many people don't know what destiny swapping is. Destiny swapping can occur in many ways, guys. As she had mentioned on the video, please just listen to the video thoroughly and hear what a destiny swapping is and how it can occur, right? So according to this woman, right, Usomizi ruined Unathi's life. As you can see, Unathi is no longer the same person we knew before. She completely changed. I don't know what changed in her, but let me tell you, under the comment section, people don't see Unathi as an innocent person in all of this. Others are also exposing Unathi, but you know, man, as much as we don't believe that Somizi is a saint, guys, remember, Unathi is a bad person. Unathi also ruined many people's lives. Yeah, and there are other comments that agree with what this lady had to say about Usomizi being, you know, wicked. You know, apparently, if you find yourself close to Usomizi, your things are gonna go astray. He goes around taking other people's destinies. He goes around taking other people's destinies. He goes around, you know, taking other people's luck, and that's what he's been doing all along. And to me, the only thing that I'm gonna say is that, indeed, destiny swapping exists, guys. It is possible for a stranger to take your luck, you know, unaware. It is possible for a stranger to swap your destiny. Yeah, it's more like a stranger exchanging. It's more like trading your life, trading his life for you. I'm not sure if I'm making sense. He's swapping his life. He's giving you his life and he's going to live your life. Yeah, that's what a destiny swap is. And again, it can happen even to strangers. A stranger is capable of taking your destiny, like your destiny away from you. A stranger is capable of doing that. Hence, it is very important to not go around hugging people, avoid hugging people, avoid shaking hands, you know, pray before you leave or before you depart your home. Just pray. You know, there are certain things that you could do to protect yourself from these monsters, but because these things do happen in real life. These things do exist, especially in these events that you guys go to. The reason why they are hosting this events is because they want to steal your luck from you. But you won't know that and you won't see that. You know why? Because you are naive. You are naive. Hence, even under the comment section, there are people who are defending Osomizi. But you know, you are lying. How could you defend someone you don't know? How could you defend someone you don't even sleep next to? Do you even know how these people are sleeping? Do you think they're sleeping beautifully like you? Let me tell you, these people are struggling. Yes, they're rich. Yes, they've got money. They've got beautiful clothes. They've got Gucci's, other LVs. But the secret is they're not happy with their lives. Unfortunately, they're not happy with their lives because they chose to sacrifice their lives. They chose to sacrifice their lives for money and power. That's how bad it is. But anyway, I'm just a stranger. Anyway, do comment and let someone to think about this, and I'll definitely come back with another video after this one. Bye.